All right, welcome to the channel. I'm Viper, and today we're going to talk about this box right here. This box right here. I've been super excited about this headset for like 6 months, ever since I got to try this headset right here. Now it's finally here. I'm going to tell you guys, everybody talked about Pimax. Everybody said this about it, that about it, and some of the stuff is absolutely true. They started off on a rocky start. Stuff wasn't how it's supposed to, delaying shipping and this and that. They kept going, they kept working. They listened and they kept working at it. So from big headsets to better optics to OLED screens, let's just get to the opening. Right here, let's open this joint up. Yeah. All right. Look at that right up. Woo! Look at this right here. It's so small. It's so small. Check this out. It is crazy. You got this tiny headset right here, long enough cables. I love that they have it split in the back, because that's the one thing that used to bother me about the other one. Still was great, but I like that they split the cable in two. You got all the plugs and all the same stuff that comes with Pimax. That was just real quick on what was in the box, you know what I'm saying? And the Pimax Dream Air, super light. I'm telling you right now, this thing is in my hands. It's a light headset. No headset is going to be perfect. No headset, I don't care what it is out there, is going to be perfect for everybody. But what it can be is perfect for you. And right now, I know this right here is going to be perfect for me. And trust me, when I say no headset is perfect, I got the Apple Vision Pro. Great headset, not saying anything about it. The software, everything is fine. It's not perfect though. It's kind of heavy. I got the Galaxy XR. We're not even gonna talk about that without the updates. Not perfect. I got the Quest. Great gaming. Love that headset. It's still not perfect. All these headsets are not perfect, but they will be perfect for you. A lot of people don't like cords, right? A lot of people saying, my days of cord days is over, but you don't understand how good VR is when you're playing with a DisplayPort that's uncompressed video straight to your headset. This right here is going to be my go-to headset. I'm late at the game. Check out other reviews. People are raving about the Pimax Dream Air. The specs are 3840 by 3552 pixels per eye, which is crazy. 110 field of view, and it only weighs 170 grams. You know, a lot of people are starting to use this now. The Apple Vision Pro has this. These lenses that's inside of this, let me see if I can put it up to the camera. These lenses are so big. They pancake lenses, they concave view. That's the special Pimax twist that they got on these lenses. I can't wait to plug this thing up and dive right into it. I know headsets, I wear them every day. I wear the Apple Vision Pro every day to work in, and I know the weight that's on these headsets. The future of VR headsets is going to be very light. This thing right here, is it on? Is it on? Did I lose it? This thing is so light. It's crazy. It's crazy how light this thing is. Oh man, don't even feel like it's on. Off, on, off, on. It just feels light. For you gamers that have been wearing the Pimax, the Apple Vision Pro, the Quest 3, you guys that have been wearing that, and when you finally wear this, you're gonna be like, yeah, that dude wasn't just talking smoke. He was telling the truth. Can't wait to hook this thing up. Let me dive into it. Let me get all into it. You got any questions about this thing? Let me go. This version that I have right here is the Lighthouse version. They do have the Slam Track version, which come with controllers. Pimax is coming through. They are shipping their products. They are working on their software. Even with the bad press, even with people saying that they don't like them, they still making headsets. As we know, some companies are dropping off. Pimax like, hey, we're going to continue to make for the VR market. And if you be so kind to hit that like button, it helps the channel out. It moves this video. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. And I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.